Now let's dive straight into the point. For instance, if y is equal to x raised to the power of n, if you have to differentiate this function, the y dx will be equal to nx raised to the power of n minus 1. So this is a basic form. This is known as the power rule formula. Now how do you apply it? Just multiply the function by the power and then subtract 1 from the power. So let's take this as an example. For instance, if you have y equal to x raised to the power of 2, you take this 2, which is the power, you multiply it, that will be 2, which is the power, multiply it by the expression x raised to the power of 2, and then you subtract 1 from the power. So this will give a result of 2x raised to the power of 1. Of course, that's what 2x. Now let's try another one. If you have y equal to 3x raised to the power of 4, here our dy dx will be equal to 4, which is the power, times 3x raised to the power of 4, then minus 1. So this will be 4 times 3 x raised to the power of 3, and you have it as 12x raised to the power of 3 as your dy dx. Okay, so for instance, let's take a look at if y equal to square root of x. So according to laws of indices, root x means x to the power of 1 all over 2. So your dy dx will be 1 over 2, which is the power, multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1. So this will give us 1 over 2x raised to the power of half minus 1, which is minus half. So this will be 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2x raised to the power of minus 1 all over 2. So let's look at another form. You have y equal to 2x raised to the power of minus 3. Okay, so laws of indices, when you have a number to the power of minus 3, definitely it is 2 times 1 over x to the power of 3, but we won't be expressing it like that. So the y dx will now be the power, which is minus 3, multiplied by 2x raised to the power of minus 3 minus 1. You always subtract 1 from the power, then this will be minus 3 times 2x raised to the power of minus 4. Alright, so this will now be minus 6x to the power of minus 4 as your dy dx. So the power formula is very interesting. This is the basic form of differentiation. You need to know this before going into sum and product rule and then the chain rule of differentiation. Okay, so that's it.